Welcome to the class, dear students. In today's lecture, I'm going to do some more extra problems on normal distribution. Let us now look at this particular problem where the notation is been given for the normal distribution. I hope you know the notation. In the beginning of the normal distribution, I have explained about the notation of the normal distribution, how it is being explained as. So a tax law is expected to benefit the middle income families, those with incomes between $20,000 and $30,000. If the family income is denoted by n of $25,000 comma 10,000 square dollars. What do you mean by this? This is n is stands for standard normal distribution, and 25,000 is mu, and sigma, there is square it is given, so it is understood that it is sigma square. So what is sigma? 10,000. Okay, the percentage of the population is given will benefit from the law. So this is what given. So what is mu here? Given that it is 25,000, and what is sigma is 10,000. So we need to find out the incomes between 20 and 30,000. So what is x here? X is, suppose if it is 20,000, then find the standard normal distribution, standard normal variate. Z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. So that is 20,000 minus 25,000 over 10,000. So this is what you have to find out. So when this happens, then what is this? This is minus 5,000 by 10,000. And that gives you minus 0.5. Right. Now we need to find out when x is equal to, what is the other value is $30,000. So when x is 30,000, then what is the standard normal variate is given by 30,000 minus 25,000 over 10,000. So that is given by 5,000 by 10,000, and that is 0.5. Correct. So what is the probability of the normal variable, that is 20,000 less than x less than 30,000, is given by the standard normal variate of 0.5 minus 0.5 to z less than 0.5. So this is what the value. So let us now look at this values here. Let us now draw the mean first, and then draw the x-axis. Now we need to find out for minus 0.5 is somewhere here and 0.5 is somewhere here. So let us now draw the area. This is 0.5 and this is minus 0.5. So this is 0.5 to minus 0.5. So now let us draw the region. So from minus 0.5 to 0.5 means which is the region? This is what the region, correct? So now how to find out this? The from 0 to 0.5 is same as from 0 to minus 0.5. So now we can draw this as nothing but, this is nothing but, we can rewrite this as 2 times of probability of, because from 0 to 0.5 we can double it so that we can get 0 less than z less than 0.5. That is the value you will get. Let us see what is at 0.5. How much it is? Let us see this. This is given by 0.5 means 0.1915, correct? So this is what you have to see this as 2 times of 0.1915 is the value. So now what is this value gives you now? That gives you as 0.383. So this is the area covered, and this is what the probability which is lying between $20,000 and $30,000. So we can understand that the percentage of the population between $20,000 to $30,000 with the income is this much. How much it is? 38%, you can say. Is that clear? So let us now go to the next problem. The top 5% of the applicants as measured by GRE will receive scholarships. If GRE is n of 500, 100, how high does your GRE score have to be qualified for the scholarship is the question. So now how to do this now? That is, here what is given? Mu is given as 500, because what is the notation? N of mu comma sigma. It is sigma square is given. N of mu comma sigma square is given. So what is sigma here? It is square root of 100, which is equal to 10. Now the qualify for the scholarship, and top 5% of the applicants are given. Now what is the top 5% means? What actually here? That is, what is, first of all, z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, correct? And what is the new variable is z is equal to the standard normal variable is given by x minus mu by sigma, and we don't know what is the value of x. Okay, what is that value? The area is given. Now we are going to do the reverse way. Okay, so for top 5% of the applicants, what do you mean by this? Let us now look at this figure. Now that what is that given is here is the top 5%. Top 5% means this is what the top 5%. Okay, so let us now see this. This is the figure. This is the area of top 5%. So now this area as 5% means what is the value of x here and what is the corresponding value of z here. This is what we are going to find out. Okay. So here what is x minus mu over sigma is given by x minus 500 by 10. Okay, and this is what the value of probability of 0 less than z less than, what is this value for which the area is given by 0.45. What is but for 0.45 here? That means when I say that it is the total area is given by 0.5 here, from 0 to this whole thing is 0.5, correct? So when I wanted 5% is above, for top 5% is this means what is this percent? This is nothing but 45%, that means 0.45. So what is the probability of from 0 to which value your area is 0.45? This you are going to check in the standard normal table. So that means where is 0.45? We have to check in the standard normal table. Let us look at this 0.45. 0.45 is the area where we are able to see here. This is what the 0.4505, correct? So now 0.4505 is corresponding to which value? 1.6, and on the top it is 0.05. 0.05 corresponding to 1.6 is 0.4505. Like this we have to say, because he has given you the area. So for this particular area that corresponds to which value of z is 1.65. So this is what you should understand clearly. So this is 1.65. So let us now see this. So that means probability of 0 less than z less than 1.65 is given by 0.45. So the value of z is 0.45. So the value of z value is 1.65 here. This is what you should understand. So the value of z is 1.65. Okay. Now when I take z as 1.65, what is your value? That is z is equal to 1.65. So what is your x value? That means 1.65 is equal to x minus mu by sigma is x minus 500 by 10. And that when you do the calculation here, you get x as 1.65 into 10 plus 500. So that gives you 516.5. So what is the 516.5 is your x value. So the score have to be more than 516.5 to get the top to be in the top 5%. This is what the meaning of this. So when you say that 516.5 is the score, suppose, then you will be there in the top 5% category. So this is what we have to understand. I hope it is clear now. So this is what the problem you can understand how to do the in the reverse way. That means for which value of z the area is given, suppose, that means area is among this total table. The area corresponding to which value is given, suppose, then you can find out the reverse calculation for finding out this particular value of z. Once you get the value of z, how to get the corresponding value of x also you have to find out by using the same standard normal variate formula. I hope you could understand. Thank you.